Driving someone batty. Understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a fun and quirky phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or everyday conversations: driving someone batty. Let's unpack what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stick around to become more fluent and confident in your English. Driving someone batty is a colorful expression used to describe causing irritation or annoyance to someone to the point where they feel like they're going crazy. The word batty is a slang term for crazy or insane, which gives you a hint about the feeling this phrase conveys. It's important to note that this idiom is used in informal contexts and is perfect for showing your understanding of nuanced English expressions. Ever wondered where such an expression comes from? The phrase, driving someone batty, draws its imagery from the erratic, unpredictable flying patterns of bats. Just as observing these creatures can leave an observer feeling bewildered or frustrated, the idiom captures the essence of driving someone to a point of frustration or confusion. It's a great example of how English speakers often use animal behavior to describe human emotions and actions. Using idiomatic expressions correctly can really show off your English skills. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use driving someone batty in various contexts. My neighbor's loud music is driving me batty. I can't focus on my work. Please stop asking the same question over and over. You're driving me batty. Trying to assemble this furniture without instructions is driving me batty. Notice how the phrase is used to express a sense of frustration or annoyance caused by someone else's actions or a particular situation. Learning idioms can be challenging but also rewarding. Here are a few tips to master them. Listen to native speakers in movies, TV shows, and conversations to hear how and when they use idioms. Practice using idioms in your own sentences, but remember to keep the context informal. Read as much as possible. Seeing idioms used in context can help solidify your understanding. And that's a wrap on driving someone batty. We hope this video has shed some light on this amusing and expressive idiom, making your English learning journey a little less batty. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to spice up your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.